will be things that will be happening in this world because, once again, many people are in bondage and in darkness. So what is our purpose? Well, once again, it is rooted in God's purpose, that He's reconciling all people to Himself. And right now He is restoring all things to Himself, so that we can see the Revelations chapter 7, where everyone will come and bow down and worship. Like we just read in Philippians chapter 2, where every knee will bow, every tongue confess. That's why when your life is lined up with God's purpose, then now you can find out what your purpose will be.